Welcome to Farming 4.0. Today, we will explore one of the most fascinating and important agricultural processes, harvesting sunflowers in the oil processing line. Sunflowers are not just a symbol of summer, they are also an essential crop for oil production, a staple ingredient in the kitchen and industry. Together, we will discover the stages these plants go through from the field to obtaining high-quality oil. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to stay updated with all our news. Enjoy! This informative video will guide you through each stage of the sunflower oil production process, from harvesting the seeds to refining and bottling the oil in the factory. Learn how sunflower seeds are selected and processed to produce the highest quality vegetable oils, following the best practices in the industry. The harvest usually begins at the end of summer or the beginning of autumn. You know it's the right time to harvest when the flower heads turn brown and the petals have fallen off. The back of the flower head also turns yellow or brown. It's important for the seeds to have a low moisture content, around 8 to 12%, to ensure quality. Before starting the actual harvesting, you need to ensure that the harvesting equipment, usually combine harvesters, is well maintained and calibrated. The combine should have a special head for sunflowers, which can handle the plants without losing seeds. Once you have ensured the equipment is in order, harvesting begins. The combine cuts the flower heads, threshes them to separate the seeds, and cleans them of large plant debris right there in the field. It's a fairly efficient and quick process. After harvesting, the seeds are transported either to the processing unit or temporary storage facilities. It's crucial to store them in optimal conditions, as moisture or pests can affect the seeds. Usually ventilated and dry silos are used for storage. The quality of the harvest depends greatly on the moisture content of the seeds and the weather conditions. Ideally, you should harvest in dry weather to prevent seed deterioration. Proper adjustment of the combine is essential to reduce seed loss and damage. first step in the factory is cleaning the seeds. They pass through a series of sieves and blowers to remove impurities such as plant debris, dust, and stones. It is important to have clean seeds to obtain high-quality oil. After cleaning, the seeds are dehulled. This means their hulls are removed to leave only the oil-rich kernel. Dehulling is usually done by mechanical methods. It is a crucial step because the hulls can affect the pressing process and the quality of the oil. The seed kernels are then pressed to extract the oil. There are two main methods of pressing: cold pressing and hot pressing. Cold pressing retains more nutrients and gives the oil a more delicate taste. It is ideal for high-quality oils used in food. On the other hand, hot pressing involves heating the seeds before pressing, which can increase yield but may affect the taste and nutritional quality of the oil. The oil obtained after pressing is filtered to remove fine particles and other impurities. Filtration ensures the clarity and purity of the oil. It is an essential step to obtain a high-quality product. Depending on the final use of the oil, it can be refined. The refining process includes neutralization, which removes free fatty acids to prevent rancidity, bleaching, which removes pigments to obtain a clearer oil, and deodorization, which removes unpleasant odors by heating the oil under vacuum. After the oil is filtered and refined, it is packaged. The oil is put into bottles or other types of packaging, ready to be distributed to stores and consumers. Throughout the entire process, quality control is extremely important. Factory laboratories constantly test the oil to ensure it meets quality and safety standards. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.